welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my January Boxycharm unboxing video. This month my video is kind of late because for some reason FedEx kind of lost my box. It was supposed to be delivered, I want to say like the 10th, and it didn't end up getting here until this past Thursday. So yeah, and that's why it's a little beat up, I guess. But yeah, I had to email like Boxycharm because it said my delivery date was supposed to be like the 9th or the 10th, and then it never came. And then I checked again and there was like no like set delivery date. I ended up emailing them, and then the next day I ended up getting my box. But yeah, so yeah, this is gonna be the first Boxycharm unboxing video of the year. I cannot believe we're already in 2020. It's just so crazy to me. But yeah, so I did already go ahead and open the box, obviously, just to see what I got, because we are gonna try out most of the products, just because most of them are skincare products. So I think there's about 3 items that I could use. And then the other 2 are skincare. But yeah, so this month's theme is breaking the ice, and it's just a simple thing, you know, and I got 5 products this month. But yeah, so let's go ahead and see what we got in this month's box. So the first thing I'm going to take out is by Skin & Co. I think that's the brand. Yeah, Skin & Co. Roma. And this is their Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. I don't know how to say that word. I have gotten something from this brand before in Boxycharm, and I love it. It's like their truffle cleansing, like a balm kind of, but it's more of a cream. I love that for when I do like more like creative full face looks. It really removes makeup, and then you just take a wipe to wipe it all off. It's amazing. So I'm really excited to try this out, and this retails for $28. So yeah, the next thing we got is by Pretty Vulgar, and this is their Undercover Concealer, and I got the shade the Middle Ground 63. So I don't have any concealer on yet. I do have some foundation and eye primer. We're just gonna go ahead and try this out. This color might be either too dark or just the right shade for me. Okay, yeah, so this concealer is probably like my skin tone shade. I like more of like a lighter, at least a shade or 2 lighter for my concealer, but this does cover. It is a light to medium coverage. You could build it up, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And this does retail for $25, so it's a little pricier, I guess, for a concealer, but I don't know, it gives more like of a natural finish. It's not drying or anything. So yeah, we'll go ahead and just keep trying that out. I do wish I got like a shade lighter, maybe just 1 shade, but so far so good. Okay, so the next thing in the box is by Glow Recipe, and this is their Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. First of all, watermelon is probably one of my favorite scents. I love sleeping mask. I just love like mask in general. So let's see. Oh my god, it does smell like watermelons. It's so fresh and so clean. Oh, I love it. So it is more of like a gel, like a gel texture, and this retails for $22. I haven't heard of Glow Recipe, like that brand, but I'm really excited to try this out. I might actually try it out after this video, once I wash all this makeup off with my new face wash. And I would definitely let y'all know, probably on my Insta stories, how I like these two products. Next thing in the box is an eyeshadow palette, and this is by Ace Beauty, and this is the Scarlet Dusk palette, and this retails for $34.99. So this so far is our most expensive item in the box. If I could just get it open. Okay, so this is the packaging, and then these are the shades. They are so pretty, and they're really warm, which is my favorite like tone of shadows. But yeah, so you have 8 mattes, 4 shimmers, and then you do get a mirror, of course. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fast forward through the eye look, and then I'll come back and let you know what I think of the palette.
Move your ass. Move your ass.
Okay, so now that I finished off the eye look, the last thing in the box is by Beauties Todays, and it is their matte liquid lip stain, and the shade I got is Thick Skin. So hopefully it matches the eye look we have going on, because from this thing it looks more like orangey, like a coral. Oh yeah, it's like a nude. It might be a little too like warm, but yeah, so let's go ahead and try this, and this retails for $17.
Move your ass. Your ass. Your ass.
Okay, so it feels really nice. Like, I like the formula of it, but I don't know, I feel like this is a little too orangey nude for my skin, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure. I guess I would have to try it out with like a different eye look, or like, you know, because it does not match this one at all. The total value of my box came out to $126.99, which is crazy because you're paying anywhere from $25 to $35. I know they did change like their prices, and like there's different boxes to choose from. I think I get just like the basic box. I'm not even sure, honestly. But yeah, so I do have a link down below with a referral code if you want to check it out and try it for yourself. I totally recommend it. I say that in every Boxycharm video, but I think it is an awesome subscription box to be subscribed to, just because you get a lot of you get full-size products and things or brands you typically wouldn't use, so you get to try it out, and you know, makes you fall in love with other brands. But yeah, so that does conclude today's video. I definitely like everything in this month's box. The eyeshadow palette was amazing. As you can see from the video, it was super pigmented. It blended flawlessly, like crazy how fast it blended. This eye look probably took me anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes for both eyes, which is crazy because as a mom who's always busy, that is fast because usually I don't do eyeshadow just because it takes me so long to do my eyeshadow. But yeah, so I would definitely give this box 5 stars because I know I'm gonna like this. I love face wash. I'm not really picky. I love mask, you know, and it smells amazing. The concealer was really good. I think I'll use it for like my no makeup days just because it matches my skin perfectly. I like the formula of this. I don't know if this is my favorite color, but I do like the formula. So yeah, and then of course the eyeshadow palette, like I just said, was amazing. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you all in the next one.